The Bible story of Ruth and Naomi from the Book of Ruth teaches powerful life lessons that will change your life.
In the land of Moab, there lived a woman named Naomi and her daughter-in-law, Ruth. Naomi had lost everything, her husband and her sons. Her heart was broken, so she decided to return to Bethlehem. She told Ruth to go back to her own people.
Go back, my daughter.
But Ruth refused.
Where you go, I will go. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God.
So Ruth followed Naomi. They arrived in Bethlehem with nothing, no food, no protection, no future. But Ruth chose to work. She went to gather leftover grain in the fields. There, she found favor in the eyes of a man named Boaz. Boaz showed her kindness and protected her. He said, "May the Lord reward you for what you have done." Ruth 2:12. In time, Boaz married Ruth, and God restored everything Naomi had lost. Ruth gave birth to a son named Obed, and through that family line came King David, and one day, Jesus Christ, because of one decision to stay faithful.